Welcome to TMB Designs. I am Trevina, your host of this fabulous lifestyle channel. It is full of inspiration, motivation, and creativity. I desire to inspire you to make beautiful designs, one space at a time. Okay, guys, today I am taking part in the Spring Coffee Beverage Bar collab hosted by my beautiful sisters, Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis and Kenya of Kenya's Decor Corner. Now, these divas asked us to simply style up a bar or coffee bar for spring. I present to you my peaches and cream coffee bar theme. I absolutely love, you guys, this combination of peaches and cream with accents of gold, and of course my signature blue had to be thrown in the mix. Guys, my motto has always been, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. So these beautiful marble pieces served as the perfect anchors for yet another fabulous coffee bar. The Lazy Susan, the marble Lazy Susan, is from Home Goods. The tray that the Keurig machine housed on is from Ross Home Stores. The two-tiered tray is from TJ Maxx, and the marble stand or dessert tray is from Home Goods. On top, you guys, of the marble Lazy Susan, I have this beautiful coaster set trimmed in gold. It perfectly complements my infamous and so beautiful Inspire Me Home Decor canister set. You guys, I absolutely love it. The details are exquisite, and I house all of my coffee essentials inside, along with some sweet treats for any beverage of choice. To finish off this area, I added this beautiful bunny collection. The salt and pepper shaker is from Hobby Lobby that I used to house sugar and cinnamon. And then that gold bunny just set center stage all by himself. Added some florals, and that portion was done. Over to the right, I have this beautiful tray, this dessert dome I call it. It's marble base, and I have styles inside some of my favorite tea cookies. And then this cute little bunny set, you guys, is a yard sale find. These coffee mugs are from Home Goods, and they just tie in beautifully with anything. On the top layer, I added some more coffee essentials or tea essentials, my honey and white chocolate spoons, beautiful mugs, another gold bunny, and a cute little sign that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. Just to bring a little bit more glam to the space, I took a 3x4 mirror picture frame, included the word bloom for spring, and voila, it finished off this space perfectly. Now, to add the piece of resistance, you guys, I found this gorgeous mug that simply says unstoppable from Burlington, and voila, my coffee bar was set for the season. I hope you guys have enjoyed this display of coffee fabulosity. I want to say thank you to the hostess with the mostest, Miss Kimberly of Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis, and Kenya of Kenya's Decor Corner. Thank you for hosting this amazing collab. To my tried and true and my brand new boos, I want you all to know that I love and appreciate you. Thank you for your continued support. Now, if you're new here, it's your first time stopping by way of the collab, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the TMB family. We'd love to have you and interact with you throughout the rest of this spring series and beyond. To the next video. Have a blessed and most beautiful, beautiful day. Smooches.